This is a video on how to find the equation of a graph from a graph that's given. So this particular one I'm looking at, I have a graph and I need to find the equation. So right now, pretty much given y equals, but this is a video on how to find the equation of a graph from a graph that's given. So this particular one I'm looking at, I have a graph and I need to find the equation. So right now, pretty much given y equals, but what do I have other than that? So you can either use y equals or f of x equals the function notation. Either way, I'm not too picky about that. But the first thing I look at is the shape. I need to know what sort of function I'm looking at. So looks like this one would be a cubic function because it goes in two different directions. Goes up to the right, goes down to the left. So I know first of all it's going to be a cubic. So let me go ahead and put that in. Alright, so far I can say this is x, and we'll probably have to shift it somehow, but I'll go ahead and just put in the cube for right now. Alright, so there's y is x cubed. And now, how has that been shifted? So normally y is x cubed has that flat part right here at 0, 0. That has been shifted, looks like to the left 3 units and up 1 unit. So going to the left 3, that means I'm going to have inside this parenthesis should be a plus 3. Okay, so opposite of what you would think going to the left. Okay, so there's a plus inside. And then up 1 unit means also a positive on the outside, plus 1. Alright. So there's what I got so far. It's gone to the left 3 units and then up 1 unit. But it may be a little bit steeper than normal. It may be a little bit shallower than normal. So I also have to look at that. So I know that a value that goes right out in front is determined by what happens 1 unit away from this point right here. So if I go 1 unit to the right, it looks like this cube function is going up 2 instead of just 1. So if I go to the right 1 unit, it looks like this is going up 2 units, which means that a value in front is 2. So the final thing that I put in is that 2 that's out front. I also look for if it's been reflected or turned upside down. This one has not. It still goes up to the right, down to the left, so there's no negative out front. That'll just stay the same. But I do have that 2 because it's been stretched by 2 units. So there's my equation. That's it. Y equals 2 times x plus 3 cubed plus 1. So that's it. If you have any questions about this, let me know, and I can try to put it some more.